Hello class and welcome to Office 101, Office Procedures. I wanted to do a quick instructional video just to kind of go over a couple things within your class. So this is your online class and this is Moodle. Within Moodle we've got several components here at the top that can help you. For example, if you are in your course and you click this course, it will give you some quick links here. These quick links can either take you to grades, assignments, a checklist, forums, questionnaires, quizzes, and resources. This is just a quick way for you to get the items within the course. You also have a mail tab here. This will actually email your instructor directly. So you would just click that and it would take you to your Office 365 and you are able to email your instructor. So right into the class, we have our first tab here is announcements from your instructor, which you should click daily. As you're clicking that, I will be posting discussions here pretty frequently. I usually post daily, if not twice a day, but you will see some topics here that will help you with your assignments, and also you'll know some you'll pick up on deadlines or things that are important with your class. So that's very important to check every morning or every afternoon or in the evenings when you're getting on your class. Of course, syllabus, this is the link here. You would click that. You can either download that and print it if you have access to do that. If not, then you are able to view it each time, and once you download it, you can just grab it from your computer. This is the shake hands, meet your instructor, introduce yourself. So you would click that and you would go in and add a discussion. I've posted mine here. You would click here and you would add in a subject, message here. Then you would post to the forum. It's important to do introducing yourself to your class so we can have a community building. We get to meet different people. There are several students all over Texas, so it's really important to kind of get to know each other. We're all in the same class, so anything comes up as far as questions or things like that, we may be able to help each other, which leads me to our next tab, which is the raise your hand for additional help. And you would just click that. If there is a question that you would like an answer to, you would just definitely click here. Put in your subject, need help, help on chapter whichever. Put your message here, and then you would post a forum. These I check at least twice a day, if not for sure daily. I even check these on the weekend. Now, if a student sees the raise your hand before I do, obviously they sometimes have helped other students, which is the purpose of shake hands. So this is helpful for everyone. The next tab is your checklist here. Now, as you do assignments, you would go in and you would click. This would give you a great illustration of what else you need done for that entire week. It just kind of helps you stay on track. So it's real important that you visit that checklist frequently. Next, we want to talk about our deadline. So we have a Wednesday at midnight deadline, and then we have a Sunday at midnight deadline. Each deadline does consist of assignments. So starting Monday, I highly recommend that you dig into the class, and you've got discussion here. You've got a quiz 1 and quiz 2. And you would definitely just click your discussion there. Gives you information and the requirements and expectations. You are required to post one main post, 5 to 8 sentences, and 3 responses, 3 to 5 sentences. That is required. Doing discussions within an online class is very important. It is just as important if you were in a class and discussing a subject. This is virtual, so you do get different opinions from different people, different things they share, and it does help you get a really good understanding of what the topic is at hand when you see multiple different points of view. So it's really important to do the discussions. The discussions are 20% of your grade, so that's really important that you do. I have not seen any student that has not done discussions pass any class. So it's real important to get used to doing those. If you have questions, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Our Sunday deadline is at midnight as well. You've got your discussion here, and then you've got a quiz. You've got quiz 3, 4, 5. You have an assignment, and then you do have an exam there. For the assignments, you do click those, and you are asked to view this payroll information here and calculate payroll. It does give you specific instructions on what you need to do, but if you have questions, just feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to help you out. Also, if on Monday or Tuesday you have completed all assignments for Wednesday's deadline, I highly suggest that you go on into Sunday's assignments for lesson 2 for that Sunday deadline, just so that you are ahead in the class and that you don't fall behind. It's really, really important to stay ahead so that if something comes up and you need to work a little slower or you can't log in on the weekends, especially for the hybrid students, you do have the 3 hours in your lab, so it's great to utilize those 3 hours and try and get as much work as you can done. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Feel free to. My instructor information is here in the Welcome tab, and you will find my text cloud number there, my email, and also, as I mentioned before, you may email me here. One thing to keep in mind is that I usually send out frequent messages, and they will be in this message chat looking tab here. Once you click that, if it's showing red, you have information in there. Highly recommend that you click that as well. But this should be a great mod. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great mod.